In this video, you will become familiar with the CSP dashboard. This is the dashboard view that you will see until you start your first service request on CSP. Here you can learn about the leadership of your service team. You can also click Service Team in the left menu at any time to get here. To start a request to incorporate your Singapore company, click here. Then you will provide information about your company and communicate with your service team to get answers to your questions. If you have an existing Singapore company and you want to transfer it to CSP, click here. You can also start these as well as many other requests from the New Requests page. After you have created your first request on CSP, your dashboard view will change. It will look like this. You can do several things here. If you need any help, contact our staff. You can start a new request for any corporate service need of your company. The Active Service Request section shows a list of all your active requests. Some of them may require your action. Simply click on that request to complete your action. For others, you can monitor the progress by clicking on them. My Company section shows all of your companies that are enrolled on our platform. You can click on any company name to see detailed information about it. Payment section shows your currently outstanding payments. On the My Payments page of any company, you can make payment and see all past payment transactions and invoices. Click on Dashboard to back to your dashboard at any time. To learn more, visit the Help Center.